Despite your hard work and what looks like financial success on paper, you often feel like you're just not getting ahead. Why does this happen? Why do some people, even with wealth, feel perpetually financially strained? Today, we'll uncover the reasons behind this paradox and psychological and practical reasons why people feel financially poor despite their income or assets. Whether you're just starting to build wealth or already have significant assets, these insights will help you align your financial decisions with true prosperity. And also transform your relationship with money. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. You're running, but are you even noticing the finish lines? Do you sometimes overlook how far you've come? Most people are chasing wealth like a hamster on a wheel, running endlessly but never stopping to realize how far they've come. They keep moving the goalpost. First, it's making 6 figures, then 7, then buying a luxury car, then a bigger house. But here's the irony. No matter how much they earn, they still feel poor. Why? Because they're so focused on what they haven't achieved that they ignore the progress they've already made. A study from Harvard found that even people with $10 million in assets often feel financially insecure because they compare themselves to billionaires. So how do you escape this toxic mindset? First, practice financial gratitude. List out what you've built so far. Second, set defined wealth milestones and celebrate hitting them before moving to the next goal. Lastly, stop playing the comparison game. Your journey is yours alone. Number 2. The poison of comparison. No matter how much you earn, if you keep comparing your wealth to others, you'll always feel like you're losing. Even billionaires feel poor when they sit next to trillionaires. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel writes, "The ceiling of social comparison is so high that virtually no one will ever hit it. Yet, people constantly measure their wealth against someone richer instead of appreciating what they have. The result? Financial anxiety, lifestyle inflation, and the never-ending illusion of being broke. There's always someone richer, so what? Focus on your financial journey, not theirs. If you feel broke at $100K, you'll feel broke at $1 million. Fix your mindset, not just your income. Number 3. Why you're losing, even when you're winning. You can have $1 million in your bank account, but if your mindset is stuck in scarcity, you'll still feel poor. Many wealthy people sabotage their happiness because they focus on what's missing rather than what they've built. If you keep telling yourself you're not successful enough, your mind will believe it, even if your reality proves otherwise. This mental defeat leads to constant stress, poor financial decisions, and never truly enjoying your wealth. Emma was a lawyer who saved aggressively but never felt wealthy. She was always anxious about money, even with a growing portfolio. One day, she started tracking her real financial progress, how much she saved, how much she invested, how much freedom she had gained. That simple shift changed everything. She went from feeling constantly defeated to financially empowered. Now, she enjoys her wealth instead of worrying about it. Feeling poor is often a mindset problem, not a money problem. Fix your thinking first. Stress kills wealth. What's the point of money if it only brings you anxiety? Number 4. The illusion of enough. Why your expectations are keeping you poor. You don't feel rich, not because you lack money, but because your idea of rich keeps shifting. If you expected to own a mansion, drive a Ferrari, and take luxury vacations every month, then even earning $500K a year might feel disappointing. This is the trap of unrealistic expectations. Naval Ravikant, he says, desire is a contract you make with yourself to be unhappy until you get what you want. If you want to break free from this cycle, set expectations based on freedom, not fantasy. Define what truly matters to you, whether it's stability, experiences, or time with family, and focus on achievable milestones. Wealth isn't about what you wish for, it's about what you value. Enough is a mindset. If you don't define it, you'll never reach it. Stop chasing unrealistic dreams. Focus on sustainable, achievable wealth. Imagine running a race where the finish line keeps getting farther. That's what unrealistic expectations do to your life. Stop moving the finish line. Start enjoying the journey. Number 5. How a lack of perspective keeps you feeling broke. You might have more money than 99% of the world, but if you're only looking at the 1% above you, you'll always feel poor. This is the disease of a narrow perspective. Most people only see what they lack: a bigger house, a private jet, or a billionaire lifestyle. They forget that their current wealth was once a dream. If you can't recognize your progress, you'll never feel successful, no matter how much money you make. Shift your perspective. Look back at where you started. Compare yourself to your past self, not billionaires. Gratitude is the ultimate wealth amplifier. Want to feel rich? Stop obsessing over what you don't have and start appreciating what you do. Your past self would be amazed at your current success. Stop ignoring your wins. The richest person is the one who values what they have. Gratitude beats greed. Number 6. Undefined financial goals. Are your financial goals vague or undefined? Without clear objectives, it's challenging to measure progress or celebrate achievements. Define what financial success means to you, whether it's early retirement, owning a home, or supporting a certain lifestyle. Set specific financial goals. Determine actionable steps to achieve them, ensuring each milestone brings you closer to your vision of financial freedom. Clarity in goals motivates focused action. It transforms vague aspirations into tangible achievements, guiding your financial journey with purpose. Number 7. The poverty mentality. If you've ever thought, "What if I lose everything?" or "I can't spend because money is hard to get," you're stuck in a scarcity mindset, a belief that there's never enough. This fear-based thinking keeps even rich people feeling poor. Hoarding money out of fear instead of using it to create more wealth. The effect? You live in anxiety, miss big opportunities, and never enjoy your success. See money as a tool, not a trap. Invest in assets, upskill, and focus on creating value. The rich don't save their way to wealth, they grow it. If you want to feel rich, act like it. Make smart moves, take calculated risks, and use your money to build more freedom. Imagine holding onto water so tightly that none can flow. That's what a scarcity mindset does to wealth. Let go of fear, and money will move in your favor. Number 8. Delayed gratification makes you truly rich. Most people sabotage their own wealth because they want everything right now. The latest car, the biggest house, the luxury lifestyle, without earning it first. This is why even high earners feel broke. In the marshmallow test, Walter Mischel proved that people who can delay gratification, resist short-term temptations for bigger rewards later, become far more successful in life. Before a big purchase, ask, will this make me wealthier or just look wealthier? Wealth is built in decades, not paychecks. The more you control your impulses, the richer your future self will be. Rich isn't what you earn, it's what you keep. Master patience, master wealth. Every dollar you delay spending today multiplies for your future. Invest first. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Identify one area where you can apply today's insights to improve your financial mindset. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.